to this segment of Street Talk Baltimore Video Magazine. I'm your host, Alfred Long. I'm here at Paul's Place Outreach Center down in what they call Pigtown. And I'm here this afternoon with Marjorie Buchanan and the kids. She's a public health nurse with the University of Maryland School of Nursing. And I'll let her take it from here.
Hi, it's a pleasure to be here today. I am delighted that we're here at Paul's Place, which has lots of great community services available. And right at the moment, the after-school program is being held. And so behind me are some terrific middle school kids who are active and energetic after spending the day at school. We work with them and with others at Paul's Place to promote health and provide wellness programs. So we do a whole array of things while we're here. Every Wednesday we hold a nurses clinic for the folks at Paul's Place who come in for a hot lunch. And we provide blood pressure screening programs. We offer opportunities for people to talk about their health needs, and we try to link them with needed healthcare services. We really enjoy the opportunity to develop relationships with people that we come to know over time, because health is a complicated thing, and people that are dealing with issues like diabetes or heart disease, high blood pressure, often need a little sense of what it takes to remain healthy despite some of those health conditions, and that's what we try to help them do. And then in addition to that, we work with the children's programs here, and we screen them. We provide height and weight screening, blood pressure, vision and hearing and blood pressure, and then we send information home with them so that they can talk at home with their parents or guardians about their health situation, ideas they could have for improving nutrition, increasing their physical activity, taking care of themselves. We know here in Pigtown that the rate of asthma in children is very high. We know that very high, one of the highest in the city. So we work with the schools, the Head Start program, and the after-school programs to try to help families deal with asthma triggers and children's self-care and those kinds of things. And then we also know that we have about a 47% rate of overweight and obesity in our school children here in Pigtown, and so we are working very hard to develop programs that emphasize healthy nutrition, not only meaningful physical activity, but fun physical activity. So we've got a variety of programs going on, such as a mapping program so that kids know the distance between one place and another, and it encourages them to get outside and do some activities that are fun, but also get them moving more. So the last thing I think I'll mention is, because we are in this time where everyone is very concerned about the flu, we are working also with the Baltimore City Health Department regarding their seasonal flu vaccine programs and their H1N1 flu vaccine programs. And we are going to be bringing those services here to Paul's Place so that people who come here for the hot lunch, we will also be able to offer them flu shots, both kinds.
That's awesome.
So sometime during the month of October, we'll be making that available for folks.
All right, Marjorie, I do have a question. How long has the University of Maryland School of Nursing had a program like this?
We've been working with Paul's Place, for probably almost 10 years, but it hasn't been to the full extent that I just described.
Right.
A little at a time, we've been increasing the services and programs that we provide here. We're fortunate to have both undergraduate and graduate nursing students that provide us with a lot of talent and their time in creating all these health and wellness opportunities. They are sort of the person power behind a lot of these projects and programs.
Awesome. Other than Pigtown and Paul's Place, are there other organizations or areas of the city that you all work in?
There are. We have a number of our community public health nursing faculty are spread out through the city. We have a group that works at Our Daily Bread, which is a wonderful organization farther east.
Okay.
We have another group that works at the International Rescue Committee, which helps people who are new immigrants or refugees coming to this country.
Wow.
We have a group working up in the Upton area, working with Union Baptist Church and the Head Start program there. We have another group working in the Sandtown Winchester area. So we are sprinkled throughout the city in various ways, and it's what we call a service learning strategy. Our students, while learning, are also providing meaningful services to the communities they're in. It seems silly not to make great use of their abilities and make a difference in the communities.
Right. Wow. Thank you, Marjorie. I know you're busy, but I certainly appreciate you taking the time to talk to myself and my audience about what it is you do here and in the other parts of the city and the communities. And I thank you very much.
I thank you for having me. It was a pleasure.
All right, people, family. This is Alfred coming to you from Falls Place, and I'm out.